And they smell so sweet and delicious. Can't wait to get inside one of them. Welcome back to BonAppekit, where we make all of your dreams in the kitchen come true. This week, a friend of ours mentioned that he had eaten at a Jamaican restaurant and had something with his meal called cocoa bread. Now, we had never heard of it, so after some diligent research, we decided to not go to a Jamaican restaurant and make our own. So come along with us this week as I show you how to make traditional Jamaican cocoa bread. Let's have a look at everything we're going to need. Here I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, which I have already sifted. This recipe calls for 2 cups of coconut milk. You're going to need 1 egg, roughly room temperature, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2.5 tablespoons of instant yeast, and I have a whole stick of butter divided in 4 tablespoon segments, and a pinch of salt. Hey Carrie, what do you get when you cross a pineapple with a coconut?
No.
A pina colada, of course.
Oh, duh.
Butter. I'm going to start by melting that butter down in that coconut milk.
I'm excited. I've never had this. Have you?
No, I have not. Oddly enough, one of the breads I've never tried. And your 3 tablespoons of sugar. Right in here. What we're doing is, over medium heat, we're going to bring this to just above body temperature while we melt that butter. Once your sugar is dissolved and your butter is melted, just give that a tap. And if it's warmer than your finger, you're there. You want it warm, because if it's hot, it's going to kill your yeast. Speaking of yeast, we're going to throw our yeast on top of that. Give them a little stirring in. And then set that to the side. Step 1. We're going to whisk that egg. I'm looking for about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir those together and make a well. We add our coconut milk and yeast, and sugar and butter, and our egg. Then combine all of these until you get a nice shaggy dough. I've just added a couple more tablespoons of flour to this. You can see it's a nice, soft, warm, silky dough. And it's really a pleasure to work with. So what I'm going to do is just knead this for about 5 minutes to get that gluten structure built up. And then look at that. We want a nice, soft, silky, elastic dough, and by elastic I mean you press it and it pops right back up. So now you know you're ready to start your proof. So we're gonna put this in a warm place for the next hour until it doubles in size. Hey Carrie, why was the chef surprised when everyone liked his bread?
I don't know.
Because he thought it was a little crummy. Once your bread is proofed, we're gonna turn it out onto a lightly floured surface, silpat. Oh, I want every little bit of this bread. It smells so good. It's got a nice sweet smell. Very rich, buttery smell. All right. Punch this down. Go. Get it manageable. And this recipe is for 10 breads. So we're going divide this by 10. Say about 1, 2. Chop. 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 Let's see. This needs a little bit off of this one. This gets a little bit off of this one. Okay. Roll them up into 5 little balls. Tuck them in. Twist them off, let them rest. Floury rolling pin. Grab one of your orbs of destiny. Just roll this out into a circle. We're looking for like a pita-sized circle here. Maybe about 1/4 of an inch thick. I think just like that. Now, the secret here is to go ahead and brush with a little bit of melted butter. Then you fold that in half and brush it with butter again. That makes your Jamaican Coco Bread. Just repeat step 1 10 times for best results. Once you're done, use up the rest of your. Make sure you get everybody slathered with that butter. And we're going to let these rise in a warm place for about another 15 minutes before they're ready to bake. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. All right, once you're at 350, just pop these in and we'll see you in 30 minutes. Hey, Carrie. What did one bread say to the other bread?
I don't know.
I loaf you.
Aww.
Let's see how we did. Wait, are you filming my butt?
No.
Try not to think about butts. Whoa. Look at that.
I'll have one, please.
I'll have one too. Wait. And you've already got the melted butter left over, so give those another baste. You already melted a whole stick of butter, you may as well use it. Oh yeah, look at those shiny beasts. Isn't that just lovely? And they smell so sweet and delicious. Can't wait to get inside one of. Look at this. Look at that soft, velvety top. Steamy, buttery interior. So we make these to be a bun to fill it with whatever you want. You could throw a Jamaican beef patty in there.
Oxtail.
Throw some
berries.
Some asabuco.
We'll leave the tail on the ox.
We'll tag Jason in the comments below. But yeah, I was thinking scrambled eggs and cheese, but I'm just gonna tear into it. So you see that soft interior, its sponginess with this crispy bottom, the golden brown. I'm just gonna tear into this. Step 1, get cocoa with it. The coconut milk has given this bread a very soft, velvety texture and just a hint of rich Jamaican coconut flavor. So I highly recommend these. Try them on the bread lover in your life. And as always, this has been BonAppekit. Feel free to like, subscribe, share us around, leave any recipes you'd like to see us make in the comments below. God bless. Hey Carrie, why did the coconut go to therapy?
I don't know.
Because it was feeling a little nutty. Carrie and I watch YouTube as much as the next guy and his wife. Carrie asked a friend. Milk. Somehow the coconut milk has given this bread a soft, velvety texture and a very. Somehow the coconut milk. So the coconut milk has given this bread a very soft, velvety.